Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a simple iron farm in Minecraft. First, understand that an iron farm is a highly efficient way to get iron ingots and poppies automatically. This guide will help you set up a basic, yet effective, farm. We'll cover the essential components and the steps to construct it, ensuring you have a steady supply of this valuable resource for all your crafting needs. Before you begin building, gather all your necessary materials. You'll need at least 3 villagers and 3 beds to establish a village. Crucially, you'll also need 1 zombie to scare the villagers, which is key to spawning iron golems. Don't forget a good amount of building blocks, a water bucket for the collection system, and a lava bucket for the golem killing chamber. Now let's construct the farm. Start by building a platform at least 10 blocks above the ground. Place your 3 beds and then your 3 villagers on this platform, enclosing them safely. Next, position your 1 zombie so it can be seen by the villagers but cannot reach them. Finally, set up a water stream to funnel the spawned iron golems into a killing chamber, typically using a lava blade to collect the drops. To maximize your farm's efficiency, ensure the zombie is always visible to the villagers to maintain their fear. Build your farm at least 100 blocks away from any other villages to prevent interference. Regularly check for any unintended golem spawn points outside your collection area. If you want even more iron, you can expand the farm by adding more villager and zombie cells, scaling up your production significantly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.